Hi friends, I'm super excited for our next craft project. This one uses the color yellow, and it's an insect that goes buzz, buzz, and I'm even wearing one. A bee. We are gonna make a bumblebee. Actually, we're gonna make a bunch of bees. You can choose how many. I made 5. I'll show you what I made. And hopefully you can make one too. Now for this, all I used was some paint, markers, and a toilet paper roll. That's it. If you don't have those things, you can just use paper and something to draw with. You don't have to use the toilet paper roll, but I bet you might be able to do it with some strips of paper that you roll and connect like a paper chain. You can choose how many. I did 5. And you can paint them or draw them or use your thumbprint. Let it dry and I'll show you what's next. And they have black stripes. So now you can put stripes on your bumblebees. You can color them, draw them, or paint them. I'm gonna paint mine. I have my little paintbrush with some black and I'm gonna paint stripes. I'm gonna paint 3 stripes on each of my bees. You can choose how many stripes you wanna do. It doesn't matter. 1 stripe, 2 stripes, 3 stripes. There's 1. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. And 1 more. 1, 2, 3. All of them are different. They have 3 stripes, but the stripes don't all look the same. Is that okay? Of course. You do it how you want to. What else do the bees need? They need faces, right? I'm going to put a little dot on the end. Boop, 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 boop. That's their little bottoms. And now we need to give them tops, right? So we need to give them antennae. So for that, I need to draw some little thin lines. So for this, I think I'll use a marker. I'm gonna get a black marker. Use what you have. And I'm going to draw antennae on each of my bees. So I'm gonna draw just some straight lines or squiggly lines. See, one of them straight, one of them squiggly. So I'm gonna give all of them antennae. I can put a circle on the end, or I can leave them straight. I put circles on the end of mine, and I'll finish these real quick. And there we go, bumblebee, 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 there. Okay, do they look like bees? Yeah. So I'm gonna give them a little more of a head because you can't quite see it. So I'm going to make a little rainbow shape right in between those antennae. An upside down U or a little curvy line. So it makes it more of a head where the antennae are. Okay, and it looks like they're flying up here. They're flying this way. Okay friends, while we were waiting for you to get your stripes and your antenna and heads on, I went ahead and I just outlined mine. I decided to take a marker and go around the shapes so you could see the bees a little bit better because the yellow is kind of a light color. And now you see I added something up here. It's really easy. I just took 1 toilet paper roll and I cut it into strips. You get about 7 of them if you do them about a 1/2 inch apart. And then you get these nice little rings, these circles that you can use. Now I colored the edges of them rainbow colors, but you can keep them the plain color of the toilet paper roll, or you could have glitter ones. You could have them all one color, whatever you choose to make it special, just for you. And to connect the flower, I just taped those pieces together. You could use a stapler, you could use glue, but it would take longer to dry. So if you want to do a faster craft so you can see it done quickly, then you can use tape or a stapler and then tape it to the paper. Or mom and dad could use hot glue if you have that and want it to be really fast. Back here, I could keep adding pieces to it. See? And then it would look more like a honeycomb. I can't wait to see your bee project. Have fun, and don't forget to be kind.